Hello everyone, this is Tina from ApparelWin. Today we're going to talk about our fashion shooting service. We work with plenty of fashion brands and we provide small quantity production service. Plenty of new style need to be updated on our website and social media every month. So we do have some resource and our own photographer team. Some of our customers ask us if we can help them to get their commercial photos done after get orders from us. We have a great time working together because we save them so much time and budget. They want us to keep providing this kind of service. Therefore, we decided to keep our fashion shooting service to serve our customer better. We offer photo shooting for both men's and women's style, and our talented team will take care of every single thing in the whole photographer process, like background setting, models, editing, and everything. Of course, we have the most professional photographer team, and also we have plenty of models options. As you can see, our model is getting prepared right now, and I think he is almost ready. And here's all the style that we are going to shoot today, and they are going to be updated on our website and social media this month. We have been working with hundreds of different fashion brands, so we are capable to handle photo shooting for all different kind of styles. You won't have to lift a finger because photos are ready to use as soon as you get them with the added format for both webs and social media. So get our fashion shooting service now. We will arrange a photo shooting for you immediately. Believe it or not, we will save you so much time and budget.